This is a highly rewarding independent project. You can ignore this gray part here. That's just for measurement. The counterweight here would actually be positioned straight outwards, and the ball rests on this little basket thing. And there's a supporting track there that's supposed to be independently supported structurally. And then the ball will be lifted by the counterweight upwards along the slope, and then be deflected by a wedge of some kind sideways, and then the ball will apply pressure unsupported by the track, and therefore it will be able to lift the counterweight again and be deflected again into the opposite side of the track horizontally. And in a second I'll show you the actual vertical lever device I've already built, which doesn't have these exact ratios, but it's still very exciting. Okay, this is Nathan Coppage. You can see with this device, if we push this marble there, it's actually able to move back and forth automatically pretty much. So that's the property that's desirable of this device. And it pretty much works. It just has to, we can see that the marble is positioned pretty high up there, so it's pretty much functional. It just is waiting for someone to build it in the correct ratios as shown before. Thanks.